excavator. This is an excavator. Used for digging trenches, foundations, and holes. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. Used for transporting loose materials like soil or rubble. Road roller. This is a road roller. Used for compacting soil, gravel, or asphalt. Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. Used for pushing large amounts of soil or debris. Crane. This is a crane. Used for lifting and moving heavy materials vertically and horizontally. Grader. This is a grader. Used for leveling and shaping surfaces before paving. Skid steer loader. This is a skid steer loader. Used for digging, grading, and lifting in tight spaces. Wheel loader. This is a wheel loader. Used for lifting and moving materials like gravel or sand. Concrete mixer truck. This is a concrete mixer truck. Used for mixing and transporting concrete to the site. Backhoe loader. This is a backhoe loader. Used for digging with the backhoe and lifting with the front loader. Boom lift. This is a boom lift. Used for lifting workers to high or hard to reach places. Crawler loader. This is a crawler loader. Used for digging and loading in rough or muddy terrain. Forklift. This is a forklift. Used for lifting and moving heavy items or pallets. Tower crane. This is a tower crane. Used for lifting materials on tall building sites. Hydraulic breaker. This is a hydraulic breaker. Used for breaking concrete, rock, or asphalt with hydraulic power. Telehandler. This is a telehandler. Used for lifting materials to different heights and angles. Articulated dump truck. This is an articulated dump truck. Used for hauling loads on rough terrain. Compactor. This is a compactor. Used for compressing soil or other materials. Asphalt paver. This is an asphalt paver. Used for laying asphalt on roads and parking lots. Grapple skidder. This is a grapple skidder. Used to grab and drag felled trees from the forest to the loading area. Concrete pump truck. This is a concrete pump truck. Used for pumping concrete to high or hard to reach areas. Tractor. This is a tractor. Used to pull and power various farming or construction equipment. Material handler. This is a material handler. Used to lift, sort, and move heavy materials like scrap, wood, or containers. Drilling rig. This is a drilling rig. Used to drill wells for oil, gas, water, or exploration. Trencher. This is a trencher. Used for digging narrow trenches for pipes or cables. Pile driver. This is a pile driver. Used for driving support piles into the ground. Hydroseeder. This is a hydroseeder. Used for spraying seed mix on slopes for erosion control. Road header.